In this video, you will learn how to install and set up NissanConnect Services app. First, download the app on Apple or Google Play Store, or you can scan the QR directly on your phone. After installing, open the NissanConnect Services app and select Login or Create Account. If you do not already have one, please make sure your vehicle is eligible for NissanConnect Services. If you are not sure, please check its compatibility on the Nissan website. This process may differ depending on your vehicle. The app helps you manage your Nissan vehicle in 3 simple steps. Have your bin ready and ensure your vehicle is nearby with good network coverage. You must be inside the vehicle to complete the final setup. Enter your personal details to create your account. Provide your name, email address, and create a secure password. Tap Next to continue. Read the NissanConnect Services terms and conditions carefully. This explains how your data is processed and how connected services operate. Once you agree, confirm your acceptance and select Next. A verification email will be sent to your inbox. Open the email and select the verification link to continue. Next, select Add Vehicle, and then select Next. You can find your bin at the bottom corner near the driver's side door, viewable from outside through the windscreen. You can also find your bin at the driver's side front door and check where the door latches or elsewhere in the door area. You can use your device's camera to capture the bin. Or tap Enter manually to enter the bin into the NissanConnect Services app. Read the NissanConnect Services terms and conditions carefully. Once you agree, confirm your acceptance and select Next. Then turn on your engine and get your odometer value. Take note of the vehicle odometer reading. After taking note of the odometer reading, turn off your engine. Once your engine is off, please enter your odometer value. You will have 5 minutes to complete the process. The pairing process is now complete, and within a few hours, your services will be activated. This is an example of how the app should look after completing the pairing process. You can also add multiple vehicles to the app using the same process. Remember to always check your owner's manual for further information.